Gibraltar is belong to Spain. This is Gibraltar. That is Gibraltar. Rock Mountain in Mediterranean Sea. The date for today is April 1, 2026, Wednesday, Easter Wednesday in the Philippines. Guns of Navarone, the movie Guns of Navarone, they will shooting this, they will shoot this Gibraltar, part of the movies Guns of Navarone. One of the most historic part in Spain, Gibraltar.